So e-muscle cars takes classic automobiles and we remove the internal combustion engine out of it and gas tanks and equipment and older antiquated steering, antiquated brakes out of the vehicle, and we add up-to-date, cutting-edge modern EV motors. We integrate all these modern components into the car. We integrate them with, well, really digitally with SOLIDWORKS first to make sure our designs are going to work. So it really helps us pre-plan our production and our material usage for each vehicle. It also helps us with space and routing. I was introduced to SOLIDWORKS in 2002 when I was in the Formula SAE racing team in the university. It's very intuitive, it was easy to use, easy to learn. The 3D experience was pretty cool because it opens you up to a marketplace of CAD designs where you can contribute or benefit from. So one of the benefits of pre-modeling the car, electrically especially, is we can pre-route the wires digitally and go around any sharps, any dangerous components. We can look at movement of wires and really route them into safe raceways away from the passengers and away from impact zones. So it's really improved safety in our designs as well. So we take the 3D scan, we simplify it with our known geometries, and then we'll finalize that model into a true 3D part in SOLIDWORKS. And then we'll be able to play with it quite a bit more, integrate things, combine surfaces, really get all the assembly of motor mounts, motors, batteries, battery boxes. So as a car guy, you know, sustainability is up there, but really going fast and keeping our favorite cars on the road longer is what we're really after, and convenience of ownership. But one of the best side effects is that definitely we're taking these old cars and we're making them future-proof. You know, we're adding life to them that they may not have had as parts become scarce, as you know, they become less popular with younger generations. We're taking components and we're making them last longer. So it's very sustainable and very productive for transportation.